And I'm joined now direct from Philadelphia by Mr. Richard Ransom. He's the Chief Financial Officer and the President of International Commercial Television Incorporated, ICTL. Richard, welcome to the program.
Thank you very much, Don. Very excited to be here today.
We're glad to have you here. Now, International Commercial Television, ICTV for short, describes itself as a direct response television marketing company. Can you give us a general overview, please?
Absolutely, Don. We are, I think ICTV, International Commercial Television, the name really says it all. We are a direct marketing company that uses television as our primary means to reach our customers. So that means we use infomercials, particularly the long-form 30-minute infomercials, as well as live home shopping appearances, and also web presence to attract our customers. In addition, we're international, so we have a global distribution network that we use to reach over 40 countries with our products.
Well, Rich, direct marketing is a space with several players. What are your key competitive advantages?
Well, you're absolutely right, Don. The direct marketing industry is huge, and as a matter of fact, last year it's reported that it's over $150 billion a year industry now. And the advantages we have that we focus on are really our customer relationship. We want to develop a long-term relationship with each of our customers so that we can have repetitive sales to these customers. We actually spend quite a bit of money, as everyone in the direct response industry does, to acquire these customers, so we want to really invest in them. You know, secondly, as we mentioned, we've got a global distribution system now. So one quick story for you. We had an investor who called me just yesterday and said he was traveling overseas. He was in Finland last week, and he saw an infomercial at night for one of our products, and he was just very excited. So it just shows the power of the global expansion with being able to distribute all over the world.
Well, Rich, what do you attribute the growth to?
Well, I really attribute it to three factors, Don. First of all, we have an expanding customer base, and by that I mean we keep expanding into new markets with our television programming. As a matter of fact, in 2012, we just launched into the U.S. Hispanic market for the first time, and that almost doubled our sales in the U.S. Secondly, as I mentioned, we focus on repetitive transactions with our customers, so increased transaction per customer. And then thirdly, we are developing new products constantly, and we're focused on increasing the revenue per transaction for each customer. So our keys to the exponential growth that we've seen over the last 18 months have really been those three factors.
What are some of the most recognizable products that you're currently marketing?
Well, Don, our most recognizable product is definitely the DermaWand. And what DermaWand is it's a FDA-approved cosmetic device that uses radio high frequency to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And this is particularly key for our baby boomer generation, which is the biggest market out there right now. So DermaWand's been around for quite some time, and we're actually very proud. We just, by one of the top tracking agencies in direct response, the IMS, we've just been announced as one of the top 10 longest running infomercials for DermaWand. So we're really proud of that. Another brand that we're focused on developing right now is our DermaVitel skincare line, and that's a line that's made up of over 10 cosmetic products. And we're focused on developing our repetitive business through that line right now. And what our customers are able to do is to enroll in what we call a continuity program. And that allows us to ship to them monthly automatically. And we've been very successful at retaining our customers. As a matter of fact, at the beginning of 2012, in that program, we had just 500 customers. And as we speak today, we're approaching 20,000. So we're very proud of that.
Well, of course, the company did recently announce an exclusive licensing agreement with Dermanew. Tell us about that deal and the company's expectations.
Sure. Yeah, Dermanew, we're very excited about Dermanew. It's a company that has a long track record of developing successful direct response products. As a matter of fact, the principals in Dermanew are Dean Rhodes and Amby Longhofer, and they were part of the successful campaign, which was the Youthful Essence campaign that Susan Lucci pitched for almost a decade. And we're really excited that they have the confidence in International Commercial Television to bring their their latest product to us. What I can tell you about it is that it's in the same general space that we try to focus, which is what I like to call the vanity space, really the beauty, the health, anything that makes you feel better about yourself. And it comes with a patented skincare device and also a line of formulations that are patented. So we're in the pre-production phase of shooting a long-form infomercial, and we hope to have that out and in market by the fourth quarter of 2013.
Sales are obviously going well. The company posted revenues exceeding $10 million in 2012. How's 2013 shaping up for you?
You're absolutely right, Don. We had a historic year in 2012, and it's very exciting for us all. In fact, in March we released our 10K, and as you mentioned, we had almost $23 million in net sales in 2012, and that's coming off a year of 2011 when we only had just over $3.1 million in sales. 2013 is shaping up great. We're very excited about the prospects for continued growth this year. And as a matter of fact, just next week we're going to be releasing our first quarter 10Q, and I'd love the opportunity to come back soon and when those numbers are public and give you a little bit more detail about our hopes for 2013.
Once again, International Commercial Television, ICTL. Rich, why is this a good time right now for people to take a closer look at your company?
Yeah, Don, I'd be happy to. I joined International Commercial Television in 2008, and times were pretty tough back then. We've spent a lot of time and energy, hard work to develop the distribution network that we have in place today, and we've really focused on expanding our product base. We're super excited about where we are as a company right now, and I think if you look at us, if I could ask your audience just to do a little research into our company, they'll see that in the beginning of 2012 we were really starting off with very little. We had just under $60,000 in the bank. As I mentioned, we came off a year of just $3.1 million in sales, and we had an opportunity. We raised a small amount of private capital, about $400,000. And we were able to take that and grow into a $23 million business last year, and we continue to grow. If you look at our balance sheet at the end of 2012, we had put over $900,000 into the bank. We are now a self-funding cash flow business. We're using cash flow from operations to fund our new projects, such as Dermanew. And it's a really exciting time. I want to invite anyone who wants to go to our website, which is www.ictvonline.com, and also to check out our products, especially Dermawand at www.dermawand.com. And yeah, I would invite anyone who wants to in your audience to look me up and contact me for any further information. But we're excited about where we are and where we're going, and we want as many people involved in the excitement as we can have.
International Commercial Television Incorporated, stock symbols ICTL. Rich, we've initiated coverage of the company. Be following you very closely over the next several weeks. Looking forward to more updates during that period of time. Thanks for joining us on the program.
Don, thank you very much for the opportunity.